I am from Gaugras, Math Sahab. I am going to discuss one question. That question is question number 11, exercise 1.3, chapter 1, relation functions of NCERT 12 maths. Now come out to the question. Question number 11, exercise 1.3 equal to, consider f is to curly bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 curly bracket close goes to curly bracket open a comma b comma c curly bracket close, given by f1 equal to a, image of 1 equal to a, comma, image of 2 equal to b, image of 3 equal to c, full stop. Find the inverse in bracket f inverse का होल के पावर इनवर्स ऑफ f inverse, full stop. So that in bracket f inverse whole के power inverse equal to f. Here I am going to give solution of this question. Now here I am going to write given that f is to open curly bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 curly bracket close goes to curly bracket open a comma b comma c curly bracket close. What we'll do in this case? Here you can see f is a function from set A to set B. So here I am going to make a graph of this presentation. What we'll do here, if you make graph, this graph will become like this. Here you can see I have made a circle. Inside I am going to put elements 1, 2, 3. I have put this. You can let set x, capital X, set capital X. Capital X set is there. This is known as domain. This is known as domain. And here, if I put like this figure, I am going to make here. You can see here this figure. This figure I have made left hand side, right hand side. Both figures are related to by the function small a. Here I am going to write element here a, b, c. Here let set f y, capital Y. This is known as range. This is known as codomain. Right here codomain. This is codomain. Now relate the image of 1. Here you can see the image of 1 is A. Image of 1 is A. Image of 2 is B here, or image of C is, image of 3 is C. Here you can see image of 1 is A, image of 2 is B, image of 3 is C. image of 1 equal to A, image of 2 equal to B, image of 3 equal to C. So here you can see what type of this function is. You have to decide. Here you can see the element of the every element of set capital X, that is domain, has its distinct image in set B, that is codomain. Here you can see image of 1 is A, image of 2 is B, image of 3 C. So if this type of presentation is there, so that function is known as the given function. Here you will write given function is 1 1 and 1 1 1 1 and onto function 1 1 and onto function. The given function means this function is 1 1 1 1. Why 1 1? 1 का image A, 2 का image B, 3 का image C. That's why this is 1 1. And onto, why onto? Because here you can see in codomain you can see A is the image, B is the image, and C is also image of some distinct element in set X. That's why here codomain equal to range. Codomain, this is the codomain. Codomain set Y is the codomain, has been termed as range. So codomain equal to range is there. That's why this function is onto function. This function lead to onto function. Onto function. Onto function. Now 1 1 function plus onto function both goes to bijective function. Bijective function goes to bijective. 1 1 function and onto function both together goes to bijective function. So in case of bijection or bijective function, that function is invertible. Bijective function goes to invertible function. Invertible. Since this is a invertible function, so what to do here? Here you write, since it is an invertible function, therefore given function, here I am going to write given function f is to curly bracket 1 2 3 goes to ABC is written as F inverse, open here curly bracket, F inverse colon, open curly bracket, ABC goes to, open curly bracket, 1, 2, 3. This function is an invertible function. That's why F will be inversed, written as F inverse. This is the 1, 2, 3. Here is domain. Domain will be converted into range. A range will be converted into domain. This domain, this range. Domain and range will be mutually interchanged. So I have written, in place of 1, 2, 3, I have written ABC. In place of ABC, I have written 1, 2, 3. Or F, the inverse of F will be F inverse. So here it can be written, implied that F inverse equal to G. You know the formula. F inverse equal to G. So here you can, in place of F inverse, you can write here G is to, open curly bracket, ABC equal to, goes to ABC, and here you write 1, 2, 3. Here G, ABC goes to 1, 2, 3. So here you can see inverse of F is G, and in case of inverse or bijection, 1, 2, 3 and ABC will be mutually interchanged. So here I have written ABC, this one goes to this one has been inverted. So what will do, if I have got here F, I have got here G. So now here will determine, what will determine here, here you have to determine Hove and Gove. Here you determine Hove and Gove. So what will do here, what determined here, Hove, FOG. So here I am going to write FOG. FOG. 3 elements are there. FOG will be 3. Unlike that, GOF will be 3. So here I have written FOG. FOG. F of G. F of G. So here you can see in F of G, in FOG, last letter is G. Here you can see last letter is G. Last letter is G. So what we will do here? This can be written as F O G, or last letter is G. So G always know the formula, also formula is this one the formula. This is formula. F goes to X and G goes to Y. This X is element of domain, where you can write further, where small x element is capital X and small y is element of capital Y. So this is the trick. F relate to X, G relate to Y. So here you can see in F of G, last letter is G. So G will be related to Y. So here write Y. Here write Y. So what will do here? Here write. Here write Y. So what to do here? Here you can write F will be written like this, or this small o will be converted into half circle bracket. Open here half circle bracket, or write inside gy. Write inside gy. Now I have written this one. So what to do here? You have to find what is gy, f of gy. So here you can see g is there. G related to y here. G related this is y. So here you can see this one. This will be termed g is to, this will become gy. This will become gy. So capital Y goes to capital X. This means that this G into ABC goes to 1, 2, 3. So here I have written G. So G is to, this is Y, capital Y. Range. In case of domain, this is for G, it is domain. For G, it is domain. So this is the domain. For G, this is domain. This is range. Inversion is there. Bijection is there. This is X. X का element of X will be 1, 2, 3 here you can see. Or element of Y will be ABC. So this is the criteria you know. So here you can locate gy. So what value of gy? The gy is value of gy. So here write f in bracket. Gy will be taken from here. G is there. This is element of y. This is y. Y equal to A, y equal to B, y equal to C. The gy, this means that ABC belong to capital Y. So here you can write f gy. Gy can write in here small bracket, or in case of y small y, ABC respectively you take, here you take GA. GA it will become F or GA. What is value of GA? The GA we can write here GA. The GA F I have written here. In bracket you will write GA. GA equal to 1. So here I have written. Now again you can see F1. The F1 will be written from here. You can see. From here you can relate. So here it will become, here you can write in case of F, this will be capital X goes to capital Y. In case of F, the F is to capital X goes to capital Y. Inverse of this statement will be this one. F has been inverse written as G, and this domain range naturally will be interchange written as this. So I have written here F1. So what value of F1? F1 का value will take from here. F1. F1 equal to, here write small. Here you can say F1. F1 equal to A. I written here. So here you write, here you have written F O G, you have got A. Now like this you have to write here. Y you have to take in here. The GA, this will turn by. So here you can write again F G or A. I written A, write here B, another element B. So if you write here B, the F GB, the GB I read, the GB will take in bracket is there. This is in bracket. The GB. GB will take GB. The GB will take, this will become 2. So you will get here 2. But F2 goes to B. So this will become B. Again, F of GC So write here G in bracket C. Goes to GC. GC will be 3. So you write here F3. F3. F3 will take here. F3 goes to C. So here it will become C. So now you have got here F1 equal to 1. F1 image of F is A. Image of 2 is B. Image of 3 is. So like this you have to write GOP. So now come out here GOP. So if you write here GOP, if you write here GOP, the GOP, what will do here? In case of GOP, GOF, so here write small g. This small o will be converted into half circle bracket. So here write half circle bracket. This F, this F. Now here I written F goes to X. So here you can write Fx. I have written Fx. Now what will do? Write here G. J there G. Now come out here in bracket. Now come out to Fx. Come out to Fx. X value in case of Fx, you will take value from here. Fx. So Fx. X you can here write G Fx, that is 1. F1 यहाँ से लोगे F1. So what will do here? Equal to G. Again F1 is there. So F1 will take F1 equal to A. So here write GA. So GA will get what value of GA? Equal to 1. So here write G. This is GA. So GA will get to 1. So again what will do? Like this you have to write G F 2. Write here 2. The F2, value of F2, here write G. A value of F2 will taken from F2 equal to B. So here write GB. Now here come out to GB. GB equal to 2. Write here 2. Again one line more. If G go to F and 1, 2, 3, F3 will take here 3. Value of X take here 3. So 3 goes to, in this case, G F3. F3 goes to C. F3 goes to, here write C. GC will go, GC goes to 3. Here write 3. So now you have got GOF, different value of G of F, 1, 2, 3. Different value of F of G, ABC. Now you can very well know F of G. So F of G will be related to what? So F of G, here you can write in last F of G, here you will get F of G, F of G you have got here ABC. So think of what is ABC. So ABC will be taken from here. ABC will be taken from this value. So here you can see Y, this is Y. So this will become identity function on capital Y. Identity function on set Y. So set Y for identity function ABC. Y identity function. Here you can see F of G. F of G written here I have written F of G equal to I Y. Identity function on set Y. That is range. Identity function of range. F of G. So here you have got ABC. F of G I have got final value ABC. So what is ABC? ABC is this one here. So that's why I have written identity function set Y. And what about GOF? GOF gives here identity function capital X. See the value here. GOF. The value of GOF, I have got different value 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 is related here, you can see. 1, 2, 3 related to set X. So that's why written here identity function on set X. So here you have got G, लास्ट G है तो G Y से रिलेटेड है, दैट्स वाई आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ Y. F लास्ट लेटर is F, F is related to set X. So here I have written identification of set X. So here you have got f of G equal to Iy and G of F equal to Ix. This means that F inverse exists. This means that here you can write if these things are there, this means that F inverse exists. This means that F inverse exists. So how you have proved here F inverse exists? The F inverse exists है, तो F inverse exists है, तो here I have write, here you can see F inverse exists, the F inverse exists, so this F inverse is equal to G. F inverse, this is the formula, F inverse is G. F inverse exists है, F inverse क्या है? इन्वेस्ट है, ये बाइजेक्शन फंक्शन, bijective function. This is bijective function. That's why F inverse exists here. The F inverse is equal to G. So what to write here? G. The value of G will be what value of G will be? G will be written as G will be written as, I have written here, G will be written as curly bracket ABC equal to goes to, here write goes to 1, 2, 3. So G, F inverse exists, so F inverse equal to G, so this is the value of G in case of this one, G ABC equal to 1, 2, 3. So this is the condition you have got here. So I have proved your goal. What to do next? Now you have to find F inverse. So I have got here F inverse. So this is क्या है? This is, you can see here, equal to F inverse. F inverse. This is F inverse. Here write F inverse. The F inverse equal to G. The F inverse G आ गया. अब F inverse का inverse निकालना है. F inverse का क्या निकालना है? Inverse. Here you can see I have got the value of F inverse. The F inverse I have F inverse equal to G and this one. What to do here? F inverse का inverse पूछ रहा है. F inverse का inverse पूछ रहा है. This means that F inverse I have got, here we have got G. F inverse का we have got here this one. So F inverse equal to G. अब what will do here? F inverse equal to G. So now you have to get inverse of G. Here you can write F inverse equal to G. F inverse equal to G. तो F inverse का inverse मतलब G का inverse. G का inverse because F inverse equal to G. So now you have to find क्या करना है? G inverse. You have to find here G inverse. So what to do here? Let G inverse equal to H. Let G inverse equal to H. So G inverse करना है. तो here you have got G. The G I have got here G ABC. G ABC go to 1, 2, 3. Here I have got G is to ABC goes to 1, 2, 3. I have got here. So this inverse, the G inverse, the D inverse means here you can G inverse. The G inverse will be written as G inverse equal to G inverse will be written as G inverse equal to 1, 2, 3 go to ABC. So here we will write H 1 2 3 goes to ABC. I have written this one. H हो गया, G इनवर्स आ गया, G इनवर्स, तो G का इनवर्स you have to find out, H I have taken. So what to do here? Here you have got G, here you got H. So now you have to relate GOH or HOG. You have to relate GOH and HOG. GOH and HOG you have to relate. Then you have to fix the identity function. Then it will become correct. So what we will do here? I have got here G. G is 2. This is G2. Here I take G2 is there. So G is 2, 1, 2, 3 I have got. So G, now you have to get here G and H. Those functions are there. So you have to relate this one. First you have to get GOH. So GOH you have to get. So get the value of GOH. So GOH will be, here you can see H there. The H will be, H last letter is H. So this will become identity function. It can be easily proved. The H last letter in GOH, G of H, G of H, last letter is H. So H will be related to, here you can see, H will be related to this one, 1, 2, 3. So identity function GOF, H will be, identity function will be, this one X is there, the identity function X you have got. Identity function on X, that is domain. GOH, identity function on H. So identity function GOH, identity function on IX, and now you have to get here HOG. So H of G. So here you get this, the H is there.